If you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to show your face, good news. You don't need a camera. You don't need to speak on camera. And you don't need expensive gadgets. In this video, I'll show you real ways people are earning money on YouTube completely faceless, even as beginners. Let's start with the easiest faceless video ideas that actually earn money. Number 1. Tutorial videos using screen recordings. You can teach people how to use apps, websites, Canva, CapCut, or AI tools. People watch these in millions, and you never need to show your face. Number 2. Story videos. This includes true crime stories, scary stories, or short motivational narrations. Just write the script, use stock footage or AI images, and add voiceover. Number 3. Text-to-speech videos. Channels post facts, quotes, viral stories, lessons, and use AI voiceovers. No camera, no talking, and they still get thousands of views. Number 4. Gaming videos. Only screen recording your gameplay. Many gaming channels never show their face and still blow up. Number 5. Compilation videos you create yourself. For example, productivity tips, business hacks, money facts, TikTok ideas, or lifestyle facts. As long as you're not stealing copyrighted clips, you're safe. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you through AdSense. Faceless channels in niches like business, finance, tech, motivation, and tutorials often earn higher RPM, meaning more money per 1,000 views. You don't need big equipment. Here's all you need: your phone for editing or recording screen, CapCut or VN for editing, AI voiceover if you don't want to talk, free stock footage or artificial intelligence images. A simple script like this one, that's it. Here's the truth most people don't say. Number 1. Post consistently. Even 3 times per week can grow a faceless channel. Number 2. Use topics people already search for. Examples: how to save money fast, best business ideas for 2025, apps that make money, crime story explained. Number 3. Make your videos short and clear. People stay longer, and YouTube pushes your content. Number 4. Use a strong thumbnail and title, faceless or not, this is what gets clicks. You can also make money through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, sponsored videos, channel memberships, merchandise, so even if you're not monetized yet, you can still earn. You don't need to show your face to blow up on YouTube. You only need the right niche, consistent posting, and simple editing. If you want more faceless YouTube ideas, don't forget to follow and stay tuned.